Guys, I am so excited to bring you today's special unboxing and review. 7-Eleven's large pepperoni pizza. Fresh baked 24/7 as soon as you order it. Guys, let's check it out. First, let's start with the unboxing. You see what we got here? Ooh. Can you smell that? No, you can't! I feel sorry for you, baby! Alright, so that was the unboxing. Let's get into the review. Alright, let me pick a good slice. They're all good! Ha! Because it's pizza. There we go. Okay. Alright, as you can see, the slice separated really well. Cheesy. You know, if I were to say one thing, 7-Eleven, I like the top crust of cheese to be a little crispy. You know what I'm saying? This, as you can see, no crisp. No crisp. A good amount of pepperoni. But,
Tommy!
What's up?
What the hell are you doing, man?
No way, bro. All mine.
Hey, I set up the camera to do an unboxing.
All mine.
Of a Nerf gun, not a freaking pizza. What's happening here?
Listen, bro. Can you grab me a soda? I need to unbox one.
No.
I need to unbox a soda.
I need to unbox these new guns here, man. Look at this. Got two of them. $110 a pop.
What?
You gotta go. You must go.
We are live.
Go outside. You're ruining my show. This is my unboxing show, and it's ruined all the way.
Review.
Move. All right. Listen. I'll give you one thing. Pick a color and get outside with the pizza. Pick a color. I'll give you one. Just move. Just leave.
You're giving me one of these guns?
I'll give you one if you could just get out of here. That'll be fun, huh? Just pick a gun and go. Pick a color. They're all the same.
Okay. You know, while I decide, can you grab me a soda?
Okay, guys.
I'm really getting parched.
This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go unbox this, and I'm coming back at him.
Guys, you're gonna have to pause the pizza review for a second, because I got some killing to do, baby!
Okay, guys. This is the new big boy of the Rival Series. Wow, 100 feet per second. All right, how many? 40 balls, darts, or whatever it is. It's gonna be awesome, baby. Now let's unbox this bad boy, huh?
Now, to be fair to 7-Eleven, I am reviewing a cold pizza. You know, when they made it for me, it was fresh. I ordered it, they cooked it after I ordered it. So I'm sure if I did this review right then, it would have been even better. But you know, I wanted to get it home to review for you guys, you know. So, 7-Eleven, you're doing good work, baby.
Chaos MXP 4000, baby. Hell yeah, this is gonna get good. This is gonna get good. Oh yeah. That's your big boy. That's your big boy, baby. All right, let's get this open up. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna need a knife or something. I need a knife or scissors or something.
So, if you're not familiar with the Nerf Rival line, let me give you the rundown. Basically, this is not for kids. This is their line they made for senior citizens so they can shoot each other in the old folks' home. And that's actually why the ammo are these little balls filled with diabetic pudding.
Got him! I got scissors. Oh yeah, let's go. Come on. Why did they make this so thick? Oh my gosh, there's so many. Nerf is so worried that no one's gonna steal these from stores. They freaking put a prison all around it. They're like prison bars. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Very nice.
Yeah. Let's get this bad boy out. Alright, first of all, minus points, Nerf, minus points. I gotta tell you that pizza is a lot easier to unbox. You just go blink and it's done. No tape, don't need a knife, nothing. Okay.
Let's just cut these out. Okay. Ah, goodness.
Another thing, there were no straps holding that pizza down. Nope, just pick up a slice, shove it in your face, baby. Okay, wow, that's your big boy. That's your big boy right there. And we got our little balls of pudding. We got our little balls of pudding. Put those little balls in your mouth. What is even going on here? Did this just break, Nerf? Did this seriously break? What did my brother say? He spent 115 bucks or something? Huh? What kind of quality is this Nerf for 115 bucks? You know how many 7-Eleven pizzas that gets ya? You know how many 7-Eleven pizzas 115 bucks is? I honestly don't know, because when I went to 7-Eleven, I didn't know what the price was. I gave my brother's credit card. You know what I mean? I was like, here you go. Charge it to the house, baby. Let's get those going.
Okay, let's load this up, guys. Here's the thing, yo. Here's the thing. I can't even think about unboxing or talking about this gun or anything like that because I'm actually really hungry. That pizza looked really good. What am I gonna do? I gotta go downstairs and get me a slice. I really need to do that because... No! Oh, come on! Let's get downstairs. Guys, he's right next to the pizza with a loaded gun. I need to get to the pizza. I gotta cause a distraction.
This has got a good weight to it, boys. And do you hear that? Revving the engine, baby. Ooh, soda. Refreshing. Oh, here's an unboxing. And here's a review. Oh, cold. Bubbly. Lemon, limey, naturally flavored, guys. Oh, that is just... That hits the spot after a greasy slice of pizza. You know what I'm saying?
Guys, the gun won't fire. It won't fire. Why? I had a clear shot. I had a clear shot. Safety. Safety's on.
Oh, guys, now time for a little more pepperoni. Come with me. Oh. The box is open. There's a slice missing. There's a slice missing, guys. We got a rat in the house. We got someone who likes cheese. But you know what you gotta do? First thing you gotta do, you gotta make sure that safety's off. Alright? Only an idiot wouldn't realize that. And you rev it up, and you look for the dirty rat. Give me back the cheese! Give me back the cheese! Dirty rat! You get back to my pizza! Hey! No! My pizza!
Guys, I got the pizza. Oh, hi.
Guys, we have a hostage situation. We have a hostage situation! And I can't take this Nerf rival into there. It's just too wild. It's just too wild. I might hit the pizza. I need a precision weapon. Oh yeah. The Nerf nut shot. And all I need is one shot, because I'll tell you right now, I do not negotiate with terrorists.
All I gotta do is kill Tommy and finish this off. Cause I'm still hungry. You're not getting to this pizza, buddy boy! And worst of all, I'm thirsty.
Out of bullets. How about we make a deal, Danny boy? I'll trade you a pizza for a can of soda, because you sound a little thirsty, buddy.
Guys, I don't want to give up this pizza. I love it so much. But I'm so thirsty. My mouth is so dry. What do I do?
We got a deal? I ain't asking twice.
Fine! Deal!
I don't negotiate with terrorists. Click like if you love juicy, delicious pepperoni pizza. And subscribe now. Because that little pizza stealer, that little rat stealing my cheese, he's gonna respawn. And he's gonna want some revenge. He's gonna get it. Actually, no, he's not gonna get it. I'm gonna kill him. So tune in for that, baby. And I'll see you next time. Wait. Watch one of our other videos. Now go!